22 News Storm Team meteorologist Kelly Reardon is live in Northampton with an update on current conditions up in Hampshire County.
Here in downtown Northampton, and as you can see around me, the snow is really coming down. There are easily already a few inches on the ground, but getting here was no easy feat. The roads were very slippery. We started at 391 from Chicopee to Holyoke and then hit 91 from Holyoke to Northampton, and it was a mess. Much of the highway seemed untreated earlier this evening, but a plow did come through downtown Northampton not too long ago. But driving here in an all-wheel drive SUV, we had a hard time going above 30 miles per hour. Many cars were crawling on the roads because of the accumulation. Easthampton police said Mountain Road between Easthampton and Holyoke is closed until further notice because of the snow. So across all of the area, the best advice we can give is go really slow and leave lots of room between your car and the vehicle in front of you. And remember to clear your car completely of snow before heading out onto the road. And the worst of the driving conditions don't end completely tonight. We'll eventually make the shift to sleet and a wintry mix overnight. So tomorrow morning's commute could still be a slow one. So plan on some extra time heading to work. Well, that's what it is like here in downtown Northampton, but let's check in with 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Brian Lapis to see what it's like all across Western Massachusetts.